How to make an apple pancake. You will need 2 to 3 large apples, butter, flour, sugar, salt, 2 eggs, vanilla, milk, brown sugar, and cinnamon. Start by preheating your oven to 450 degrees. Peel the apples and cut them into small slices. Spread them out evenly in a pie pan. Add 3 tablespoons of butter and place it into the oven for about 5 to 7 minutes. Once done, spread the apples around so that the butter evenly coats all the pieces. And set that aside. In a mixing bowl, combine 2/3 cup of flour, half a teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of sugar, a half a cup of milk, 2 eggs, and a teaspoon of vanilla. Mix with a whisk or a beater until there are no lumps. Grab your apples again and pour the mixture over the apples, making sure they're evenly coated. In a separate container, combine 2 tablespoons of brown sugar and approximately 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Sprinkle the mixture over the top of the apples. Place this in the oven and set your timer for 20 minutes and cook it at 450 degrees. Once the 20 minutes are up, turn your oven off and set your timer for another 10 minutes. When that 10 minutes is up, it's done. Remove it from the oven and let it cool for about 10 minutes and serve warm.